How to curate your Instagram Explore tab. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to curate your Instagram Explore tab. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so Instagram has added a new update that makes it easy for users to hide posts on their Explore page that they don't like. So first, open up your Instagram app on your mobile device. Then head over to the Explore page by tapping on the magnifying glass in the bottom part of your screen. Then open a post that you're not interested in. Tap the three dots in the top right hand corner of the post. Then select Not Interested. This will hide the post from your Explore page and also let Instagram's algorithm know that you don't want to see posts like this. On some devices, you can also simply hold down a post on the Explore page to open a pop-up menu, and the Not Interested option can quickly be accessed from there. It also helps improve your Explore page if you open posts you are interested in and like them. The more you do this and remove the posts that don't interest you and like posts you're interested in, the better curated your Explore page will be. And that's what it takes to curate your Instagram Explore page. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.